Which bones form the calvaria, skull vault, in the adult skull? Name the single, unpaired bones of the neurocranium in the adult skull. Which skull bone forms the posterior part of the cranium and contains the foramen magnum? Which two paired bones form most of the lateral aspects and roof of the cranium? The squamous part of which bone contributes to the lateral wall of the skull above the ear? Which suture lies in the midline between the two parietal bones? Which suture separates the frontal bone from the two parietal bones? Which suture separates the occipital bone from the parietal bones posterior? Which suture unites the parietal and temporal bones on the lateral aspect? Which suture is found between the zygomatic bone and the maxilla? What is a fontanelle in the infant skull? Which fontanelle is the largest, located at coronal and sagittal sutures? Which sutures meet at the posterior fontanelle? The sphenoidal anterolateral fontanelle lies near which bones? The mastoid posterolateral fontanelle lies between which bones? At what age does the posterior fontanelle typically close? At what age does the anterior fontanelle typically close? Which fontanelles close in the first few months? A bulging anterior fontanelle may indicate what is premature ossification of sutures called?